going on, Winjas? This is your girl Maya, and I wanted to make a video for you for those times when you are so sore. You're like, oh my quad, oh my back, oh my butt from working out, right? So you just had a really strong leg day, a big bench day, and you're sore, especially in your lower body. Make sure you do these two movements that I'm gonna show you, and it's gonna help you feel good, get good, feel better, and back in the gym, living your best life, Winja style. Cue that intro. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe, press that bell. Share this video with all your friends that are sore and need to mobilize and decompress their body. Okay, check it out. The first move is going to be the bridge and twist. Oh, I love this so much. So it's going to decompress through the spine, plus help you rotate, and it's going to be even better than any morning yawn overhead stretch. This is how you do it. Lay down on your back, get up into a bridge. You're going to grab your hand, grab that same side ankle, and then with the opposite hand, you're going to go up and then over. So I'm gonna grab my right hand with my right ankle, taking my left hand, I'm gonna bridge up and then twist and rotate over. Oh. You're gonna have this crazy lengthening of your spine plus lateral flexion as we move it to the side. And by grabbing to the ankle, it allows you to even stretch even more. Oh. Sorry, I make all types of weird noises when I'm decompressing. So, bridge up, grab onto the ankle, twist, and rotate. You're gonna feel this down your hamstring, up your lower back, into your shoulders, and your lats. Exhale through the movement. Inhale as you bridge up. Set a 3 to 5 minute clock and just do this and sink into it. Oh, I forgot to grab. All right, so that's move one. Move two, if you have sore glutes, sore back, this is all-in-one movement for you. So we're gonna go into a pigeon to help with the hips. You're gonna go pigeon, and then you're gonna rotate. Drop an elbow and rotate up. More spinal work, drop the elbow and rotate the other way. So here, you got hip opening, glute stretching, hip flexor stretching, spinal decompression, and reverse. Show what it looks like on the other side. So I'm in plank, I'm gonna take my leg up, drop it down under me, sit on it, right away you're gonna feel your glutes like, ah. Drop an elbow and twist. Drop an elbow and twist. If you can't twist properly, if you're finding you lack the range, just go ahead, go up on your hand, and you might find this a little bit easier. If you're crazy, drop it all the way down and twist. Play around with these movements, okay? There's no rules. Like I said, put a 5-minute clock on the timer and just freestyle it, okay? So go into your pigeon, drop. I hypnotize myself when I'm in this. I go into this flow state. Just rock back and forth. Yes! Okay guys, give those a try. The worst thing that you can do if you're experiencing soreness from working out is to not do anything, okay? You wanna make sure you get out, go for a nice walk, mobilize your body, do compression movements like this, and I promise you will get back into feeling better and feeling less sore way faster than just lounging on the couch. Because I know that's what we all want to do, right? It's like, oh my god, it was leg day yesterday, I can't walk today. But you will feel and mobilize and get out of that soreness so much faster. So this is your girl Maya. Please make sure you check out the description box for other links to help you get better, feel better, move better. Drop a like for Mike the editor. If you like the way I coach, make sure you check out the Winja Way, my online program. And I'll see you next time.